Hi friends, welcome to my tech management education channel. We are discussing about option trading and stock market. Up to last lectures, in last 5 lectures we have discussed about stock market, how it is working and what are the exchanges, why stocks are being traded, what are options, why option tool has been created, what is the correlation between insurance of stocks. Option has been created as basically for insuring the stocks or hedging the stocks. So now it is being also traded. Okay. So up to last lecture we have also discussed about various tools like call, put, call buy, call sell, put buy, put sell, and some these are naked buy or sell options. Also we have discussed about some basic strategy like straddle and strangle. Okay, in straddle buy we basically buy call buy and call put combine, and in straddle selling we sell put as well as call. In strangle we take two different strike price, whereas in straddle we take one strike price for buying and selling. So in this video we will use a software and we will see how to build a strategy. So there are various softwares in the market. So this is one kind of software which is Sensible, and this is a good software, so you can refer that. There are others, all brokers and other various apps, mobile apps are also available nowadays to make strategy and see how profit loss will be there, what will be the profit loss in case of variation. You can simulate that. So basically simulation of option trading. So we'll see one by one. Okay, so this is Sensible software. Here it is Nifty. We can select any bank Nifty or any stocks. So I am selecting Nifty. Okay, so today's closing price is 11202. There is a okay. So build my strategy. We will go. This is option chart. Okay, this is option chart. This is call side. This is put side. This is out of the money put. This is in the money put. This is in the money call, out of the money call. These are all strike prices. So in Nifty there is a gap of 50 point. Like this is at the money because price is 11202. So around this. So this is at the money strike. Okay. So what is the price option price for call? 56. Okay. Here put price is 45 because expiry is tomorrow. You can select expiry also. You can change expiry. Then price will change. Okay, this is next expiry, means tomorrow is the expiry, then next week expiry, then next to next week, and month end is 27th of August. Okay, so you can select weekly expiry or monthly expiry. Okay, so let's see on tomorrow expiry. So call buy, we will buy a call here, say at the money. So it is buy, it is sell, it is quantity lot. Okay, you can increase lot quantity like that. Okay, so let us see how it is there. Done. So this is a simple call buy diagram. This is, as I told, this is my buy price, purchase price. Okay, so if it is market goes up, means from here to it is goes up, so my profit will increase. So up to this my there will be loss. Okay, this part is loss. Okay, this is go. So here what are the summary is there. Okay, unlimited means profit, maximum profit is unlimited, and loss is whatever you have given premium. This is 4226. Okay, so lot size is 75 into price is 56, so it will come around this. Okay, so this is and you can vary the price, see how profit will be. Like if you go this, so your loss will be constant. Okay, if you go down, your loss will be loss or expenditure will be constant, because this is a call buy. If you go further as per these things, see how your profit increase in green. See here it is 274 rupees, here it is 4,000, 5,000, 7,000. It will keep on increasing 79. But these are not practical. One day this much of movement is not possible. Maybe 1%, 2%. Okay, like 12,000, 15. If market is 1-2% move, then you will earn per lot 15, 20, 10,000 rupees. So this is the benefit of call buy. Your loss is minimum, but your profit can be high if market goes in your favorable directions. Okay, so this is call buy. So now we will see call sell. Okay, this is sell. Okay, done. So see, call sell case, if market goes below strike price, then your profit will be earned whatever premium you have earned. So this is green, and if market goes up, then your loss will start. Okay, so here you can these things. In this range, it will be profit of that premium 4226, and if you go market goes up, then your loss will be huge loss if it is a big movement like this. You can imagine. Okay, you can simulate as per these things. Okay, this is call sell and all these things. So this is call sell options. Here you can see your expenditure or profit. This is your premium earned. Okay, and he can also, you can see the margin required, like for one lot for overnight stay 1.553 lakhs or like that, whatever it is depends upon the broker. And break even, after what point your profit will start. Basically break even oil is your strike price plus premium. After that your break even will start, this point. After that your profit will start. Okay, it's not that after beyond your strike price profit will start. Strike price plus your premium paid. If it is paid 56 rupees and strike price is 1100, so 1156, after that will be 56 will be the break even point. Okay, then we will see put buy. Okay, same strike price, done. So put case, if market goes down, then you will earn profit. And like here, if it is market is this is your LD money. Market is tomorrow, it will be, if it is goes up, then you will earn. It goes down, you will earn money. If it is not going up, it is going up, then your loss will be constant. Put buy. Okay, this is put buy. So here for you can make your own strategy and see how profit will go and all these things, depending upon the market conditions or news or any big event. You can buy, like if you are expecting huge downfall, then you can buy put. Okay, then put sell. Okay, I am keeping one quantity. Let's say it is I am taking this 2 quantity. Okay, your premium is 45. Okay, see, for 2 quantity your premium earned is 6,800 rupees. So if market goes up in put sell case, your profit will be whatever premium you have earned. Okay, so maximum profit is this 6893, and your break even will be this, this strike price minus your premium. So if it is goes down, then your loss will start, huge loss. Okay, see, 70,000, 80,000 per lot you can have if it is a big big movement in your opposite direction. So you have to be very careful in selling case. You cannot have naked sell, because it will be huge loss. Buying case, there is a loss is limited to only a premium, and if it is a big move, you will have a big profit. But that is rare actually. There is market movement nowadays due to corona and COVID and all these things. Volatility is high, but normally market doesn't have beyond 1% movement every day. Now 2-3% movement is very common. So nowadays you have to be very careful. Okay, so now we have understood call, buy, call, sell, put, buy, call, sell. Now we'll check straddle and strangle. Okay, so straddle means I have to buy a same strike price. So I am buying 11200 strike, call as well as put. Okay, so let's see how it is. So as I discussed, it will be, and this part is loss. Okay, this is loss, like this part is loss. Up from here to here, whatever I have given the premium, it is the loss. So how much is maximum loss? Maximum loss will be if market stays at strike price. So it is 7,598 for each lot of in both side, call as well as put. If it goes beyond this, you will start to profit, and here also. So both side you have a flexibility. So if it is a straddle, it's a directionless strategy. Means you need not to worry that market will go up or it will go down. You have to if it is a heavy volatile market, then you can become carefree whether the market is going up or down. In both the cases, you will have profit. If it is a small range bound market, then you will have loss. Okay, so it depends upon which strategy you will choose at what condition. If market is volatile, then straddle, strangle, or if it is a direction, if it is a range bound market, then you have to be other options. Okay, this is straddle buy. Then I will create another simulation for straddle sell. Okay, this is strategy for range bound market. If I am expecting market will remain from this to this, okay, so in this region I will play, so I will earn this much of premium, whatever I have earned, and after, if it is market goes below, it will loss will start, and here also loss will start. So again, for selling, straddle selling is very risky. If market suddenly goes beyond limit, crosses beyond limit, then you will have huge loss. Okay, so there are other risk mitigation techniques like stop loss and all these things. In both side you can put stop loss. Like up to this I can take losses. After that I'll cut my position. You can have that facility with all brokers, or both side you can put stop loss. After this I'll cut my position. So this also can be done. So traders are engaging different strategies with straddle with stop loss techniques. Okay, this is another technique. This is a very range bound market is very useful. This is straddle sell. We have seen straddle, now we will see strangle. Strangle means different strike price. Like I will take this one price up and one price below, like buy, call, one out of the money, and once put out of the money. Okay, sorry, this is taken one sell, this is not the case. This is left buy and this is left buy. Okay, so strangle graph will be like this. There will be a sharp edge, there will be a flat kind of structure, because I have taken this strike price and this strike price. Okay, so your range is more. If you compare this to straddle, your becoming a profitable range is more. After a big jump only you will expect a profit. If you remain in this region, you will be in loss. Okay, this is call put, buy, strangle. This is again strategy for huge movement. You are expecting huge movement, then you can apply this strategy. Okay. Then I can engage sell. Okay, again this is opposite of buy, strangle. So if this is again for range bound market. So here benefit is risk is limited because you are increasing the range, because you are taking two strike price of a different level. But if it is a very volatile market, this is also will give you huge loss. Okay, so you have to apply stop loss or different other techniques available in the market for risk hedging. Otherwise it will be unlimited loss. Okay, this is a strangle. Okay, so you can play around, you can learn anything, different strategies, different these things. In our upcoming lectures we will discuss about other strategies available and how to apply and all these things. So friends, please subscribe my channel and press the like button if you like my videos and discussion, and press the bell icon so that you can get all notifications instantly. Okay, so anything required, any new videos you have in your mind, so that I can discuss, you can write anything in my comment box so that I can develop videos and I can share my experience and learning with you all. Thank you friends, hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Thank you.